Introduction to CAD. CAD, or computer-aided design, is the use of computer software to design and document a product's design process. Engineering drawing entails the use of graphical symbols such as points, lines, curves, planes, and shapes. Essentially, it gives detailed description about any component in a graphical form. What is CAD? Integration of CS techniques in engineering design, use of computers, hardware and software for designing products, numerical method, optimizations, etc. 2D or 3D drafting, 3D modeling for visualization, modeling, curves, surfaces, solids, mechanism, assemblies, and etc. So here, this is now my 2D drawing and editing command in Autocad software. Here we can see all the lines and circles, how to draw lines with measurements and also circles, and from the top the slanting line. In this kind of 2D drawing, we use measurements, millimeters, to emphasize its precisely measurements in it. All of these lines and circles have a measurements, as you can see in my video presentation. So now I will show you my Oslo drawing, my actual drawing. So this is my AutoCAD 2D drawing. First, how to draw line. So this is all line. From this to this, these lines are all line. And this is different. This is slanting line. So, how to draw line? In AutoCAD, we have a measurement. This is 3.2 millimeter. We use millimeter to practice 2D drawing, and this is 4.4, 3.6, 3.2, 4.4, and 3.6, 8.4, 12.0, and 2.0. And lastly, how to draw circle. This is our big circle, which is 3.6. This is how we draw it. But if you don't have a compass, you don't have any kind of measurements in your home, you can use only peso, 1 peso, to draw this, so that your draw is clean. And this is our small circle. I use 5 centavo to draw nicely and clean, to accurate its size, because I don't have a compass. When we already here in the last part, how to draw circle. In this measurement of big circle, 3.6 millimeters, we can draw some lines here, 2 lines, to emphasize the circle or recognize it accurately or exactly. And this is how we draw it in the center line, from there to here, and from here to here. And also this, we can draw some lines that we can emphasize the circle, just like small rectangle in it. You can see this, see that small circle to emphasize or recognize the circle. You can draw from start over here, this line in the center of the circle. We're down to the last part of my oral presentation. We're all finished now. This is an Autocad 2D drawing in Oslo, Bandpipor.